Hello, good morning. Good morning everyone. Happy day, happy smile guys. Guys, maging happy lang tayo. Life is too short. Guys, may order ako dalawang extra large. Take up order for dinner time. Meat lovers. Ham pineapple guys. Ayan guys, oh. Yan yung cheese, oh. Nagmimil pa guys. Yan. Ang daming cheese. Yan. Sarap ng pizza namin dito guys. Sado pa lang panalo ka na. Yan. Yung pizza namin guys, 2 for 1. Yan guys. Oh. Yan. Guys, pag gusto niyo ng masarap na pizza, pag sa Simple kayo, visit na kayo sa address namin yan. Kung sa Edmonton naman kayo, yan yung address namin guys. Yung isa malapit sa Clearview, yung isa naman sa Sherwood Park. Pwede kayo tumawag kung gusto niyo magpa-deliver. Pwede kayo mag-book-in. Ayan. 2 for 1. Yummy, yummy guys. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. See you in my next video guys. Bye-bye.